How to apply promo code on Waitrose app. First, you want to open your Waitrose app, and here you can log in into your account if you want, or you can simply skip this process from here. After that, you want to allow all the notification access or location access if the app asks. And here at the bottom of your screen, you can see 4 options called Home, Store, Recipes, and Profile. Here you can simply tap on Store. You can see products over here. You can select these products, and by selecting these products, you'll be able to order them on your location. And before you confirm your order, before you make your order, you'll be directed to the payment page, and on the payment page you'll see an empty bar called coupon codes. There you'll be able to apply your discount codes or your coupon codes to get the perks of the codes. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.